Welcome. In front of me is an LG K52, and today I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. Now, before we get started, I will mention that we will need this little thing right here, a SIM ejector. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, but you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have that ready, we can now pop out the tray, which is, let me actually quickly find it. I'm gonna take off the cover, obviously, and it looks like it's right over here. So you can see that this thing will pop in here. So once you find it, simply push it in. You can see that it just pops out easily. You can take that and now just simply take out the tray. And as you can see, the tray has space for a dedicated SD card and 2 SIM trays. I'm gonna occupy one of each. Okay, there we go. And the nice thing about this tray is also the fact that it will keep the cards inside of the tray even when you flip it upside down, so you don't have to worry about them simply falling out. Now once they're all on the tray, let's just insert it back into the device. So the cards are going this way, as you can see, so face up. Push it in, and you should see that the phone starts reading them. And there is the pin for the SIM card, so I'm gonna quickly confirm that. So obviously the SIM card is working, and SD card, I believe there was also a notification about it, so SD card available, so SD card is working as well. And that is how you would insert both the SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.